Hi guys, it's GRWM and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for this video, I wanted to keep it very simple and fast because I have done 3 other of these get ready with me in cosplay, and basically the first half is always the same with my base. So this is just me moisturizing. I'm gonna upload like the different foundation that I use this time and everything else that I use for my usual base. And you can already tell from the title, I'm going to be cosplaying as Tony Chopper from One Piece. I started watching the anime a few months back and I just kind of got really into the character and found out that we both have the same birthday, so I was like, why not cosplay as my birthday twin? Okay, in this part I'm getting into my eyeliner. I'm using the Makeup A Murder liquid eyeliner. You do have to use water to activate it, and yeah, I'm just trying to go for a simple little cat eye look with a little inner corner moment. So this actual eyeliner shape is perfect for my eye shape, in my opinion. And then I'm going to go in with my curve case by Made by Mitchell. I bought it online. I love this case. I literally use it for everything at this point. I use one of the lighter brown shades for my contour on my cheeks and my nose, and I love the blush colors, but basically you can use the colors for like whatever. And there's other curve cases and other cases that he has on his website. Definitely check it out. And this is definitely one of my favorite parts, doing the blush. I love the shade. It's kind of like a brownish, but it looks really good with the orange blush. And if you didn't know, orange blush looks really good on dark skin. So if you're a dark skin girl, definitely try that out. And obviously I messed up. I'm supposed to have a blue nose, so I'm going to go on my Abby Roberts makeup palette, and I'm just going to make my nose blue. And now we're at the very end of our look. We're just going to get a little lip liner and add some lip gloss to top it off. Okay, all done. The base, the look, the fit. I'm giving Tony Chopper, if you didn't already know. But basically this is the end of the video, guys. I'm going to Anime Expo, if you don't already know, on Saturday. So if you're gonna be there or you want to just watch the vlog, you can watch that. It'll be posted following Wednesday. And I'm just super excited to be there. And if you are going, comment down below, and maybe I'll have like a meetup or something for like those that are going to be there. I don't know, but it came out really cute. The girlies on TikTok are eating it up, so I think I did a pretty good job. The only thing that I did add that I didn't put on like on camera would be my lashes. I can't see, I don't know if you can tell, but like I just put some clusters at the very end. So that's basically it, guys. But yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Bye.